All right, we're at UND. That's Gillete, and that's O'Kelly, and this is a new connector between the two buildings. And that is the highest floor, this is the middle floor, and that's the lowest floor, so pretty short floors. And we have here an OTIS that's having an issue, but if we call the elevator here, that's right, this is an OTIS Gen 3. And there we go. And just to illustrate how short that travel distance is, that's it. That's the whole travel distance. Got hydro here. Go up to 1. Pretty box standard cab. And here we are at 1. There we go. Let's go back down to ground. And correct me if I'm wrong, since I haven't really looked at it on YouTube much, but I believe this may be the first Gen 3 in North Dakota. Correct me if I'm wrong. And here we are at ground. And again, let's go to mezzanine, and I'll count how long it takes. All right, the door's closed. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds, level, and stop. Let's see if we can get a elevator comms failure thing to beep. It'll beep at some point, but there we go. There you have it, the first Gen 3. At least the first one that I've filmed. Is gonna beep. Come on. I know it's gonna jump scare me. There we go. There we go. First Gen 3, that's all.